っぱ来なきゃこっちの。
Did you see it? Did you see that?
Huh? See what?
Chiyo-chan and her penguin exercises!
見てへんで。
Oh, hey Chiyo-chan.
Yes, what?
Well, the crowds have died down a bit, so why don't we start taking breaks and shifts, okay?
That's a good idea.
In that case, I should go first.
Ow!
Oh no, you've been wandering around the school all this time, so you don't need to go anywhere. Chiyo-chan and Osaka will take the first break.
Hooray! See you later! We'll go enjoy the culture fest. I get to go next!
You're on hold, Tomo.
I'll take a double triple bossy deluxe on a raft, 4x4 animal style. Extra shingles with a shimmy and a squeeze. Light axle grease, make it cry, burn it and let it swim.